In this video, I'll show you how to get free private servers in Roblox. Start by selecting More, then choose Roblox Plus. At the time of making this video, you can get a free Roblox Plus trial. If the trial is not available, you will need to purchase Roblox Plus. Select the Try It for Free button, then enter your details to activate Roblox Plus. Once you're done, you can cancel the renewal so you don't get charged later. Go to the home page and open the game you want to create a private server for. Click the player icon, then select Create Private Server. Make sure it says Included with Plus and the price is crossed out. Then click Create. Click the pencil icon. Select the Edit Server Name button, then change your server name. Click Change Name to save it. Adjust any settings you want, then go back. Click the Join button, and that's how you can get a free private server in Roblox. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful.